Welcome to our channel. If you've accidentally deleted photos from your Android device and want to recover them, follow these step-by-step instructions to restore your precious memories from various backup sources. Step 1. Open the Google Photos app on your Android device. Most Android phones automatically back up photos to Google Photos if you've enabled this feature in your settings. Step 2. Tap on the library icon at the bottom of the screen. Then select Trash or Bin to view recently deleted photos and videos. Step 3. Browse through the deleted items in your trash folder, 60 days before being permanently deleted from Google's servers. Step 4. Select the photos you want to restore by tapping and holding on a photo, then tapping additional photos to select multiple items at once. Step 5. Once you've selected all desired photos, tap the Restore button at the bottom of the screen. The photos will be moved back to your main library and resync with your device. Step 6. If your photos aren't in Google Photos, check your device's Gallery app for a recently deleted or trash folder, as many manufacturers include this feature in their native Gallery applications. Step 7. For photos not found in any trash folder, consider using third-party recovery apps like Disk Digger or Dr. Phone, available from the Google Play Store, to scan your device's storage for deleted files. Step 8. To prevent future data loss, enable automatic backup in Google Photos by going to Settings, Backup and Sync, and turning on the backup feature to secure your photos in the cloud. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.